So we've been given a fish and beans, really jelly beans, really challenge. We are to fan our fish from one side of the room to the next, and then we're going to use a straw to transfer 10 jelly beans from the bowl over there to the bowl over here. First one to finish wins.
I have one problem.
What's that?
Because of my strengthfulness. If we go so, it might...
Propel my fish forward?
So I think you should...
Sharing is caring.
Should,
no. Mark, catch,
ready?
Set, go.
What? No, my one. Yeah.
Jesus. If you follow me.
When my turn.
You cannot hit the fish, you treater.
Well, this will never be. Oh, son. My fish every other year one.
Fish one. How the hell shall this one and try go? If you follow me. Do not play games. You're too thief. And he stopped, but Good Friday you are stolen like that.
Well, but I put back the fish to the starting point.
Jesus Christ.
Fellow, you know, say you're supposed to go downstream.
If you follow. What is he doing? Nefford, what's he doing? You cannot do that, Nev. Good. All right. This is the tough part, I know. Never. We cannot take a thief, you know? All right, then, you want to play like that? Let us take up 10 jelly beans. No, I'm going to hold the jelly beans hostage. You're going to come back to your fish. So
you mean I can't reach here till my fish come here?
Come back to your fish.
Can I explain something? Hold on. Can I try something?
What are you doing? Okay. My fish reach already, you know, sir. You know, sir. I forgot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, you're not supposed to hit the fish like that, Nefford. You're supposed to fan the fish over. I have 10 jelly beans already. I win. It's very hard. It takes too much long power, so I just take up 10. Couldn't bother while ago, yeah, man. I'm too veggie. I tried it. It takes too much bread power. Let's take up 10. Let's take up 10. I'm telling you. All right, don't listen to me. Move it over. I'm moving already. Whoa, that's not the bowl. I win. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Got me, I said? I can never fish. I can never fish though, Jesus. Where's the JSPC? Society of Cruelty of Prevention to Animals. Look what Neville did to the fish. Neville. Come on, it's over. After the break, more from Keys appeared and the big change band. And Easter hats. Look at what Neville did to his fish.
I'm tired.
Wait, this is how you eat fish though?
Yeah. But actually, I'm not eating a fish head.